Our AI interviews took 40 seconds per turn. Users noticed, so we parallelized the agents, fixed caching, and cut it down by 12%. And here's what we did. When you are in a live interview, delays matter. Anything past 10 to 15 seconds feels slow. We were averaging 40 seconds per turn. The problem is our agents ran sequentially. Insight agent finishes, then coverage agent runs, then teleprompter, one after another. That's wasted time. These agents don't depend on each other, they can run at the same time. First fix, parallelization. Insight and coverage agent now run concurrently instead of sequentially. Second fix, sliding window for the teleprompter. Instead of sending the full conversation history, we send the last 12 messages. We save the tokens and also save the time. The result, average turn time dropped from 41 seconds to 35 seconds. That's a 12% improvement. We also implemented prompt caching, but this took 3 attempts to get right. First attempt, I put cache control at the request body level. Wrong, because Anthropic expects it on individual content blocks. Second attempt, moved it to content blocks with the beta header, but our system prompt included teleprompter guidance that changes every turn. Anthropic's caching is prefix-based. If the prefix changes, then nothing caches. Third attempt, moved the teleprompter guidance out of the system prompt entirely into the last user message. Now the system prompt and all previous messages are stable across the turns. Caching now works. Cached input saves 90% of our tokens, and the latency savings are small, but maybe 2 to 3 seconds, but the cost savings add up. We also fixed the silent data corruption. Our insight and teleprompter agents had not the max tokens. Long conversations caused JSON truncation. Coverage would drop to 0 with no error. We increased the token size to the max limit and added the truncation warnings. And we added a watchdog for drop turns. If the interview agent doesn't respond within 60 seconds, we automatically retry. If both attempts fail, the user sees an error instead of a blank screen. Silent failures are the worst kind, and now they are loud. The remaining latency is mostly the interview agent generating its response about 25 to 30 seconds. That's the floor without switching the models. Background agents already run after the response is delivered. The pipeline is optimized. Now we focus on what the user actually experiences. Follow us on our website, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram to see what we are building next.